CEC philosophy. The Cebu Eastern College believes that the best education is eclectic education, inscribed in a culture of excellence, freedom, and relevance. CEC vision. The Cebu Eastern College Incorporated is a non-stock, non-profit, private educational institution that adopts Confucian teachings, holds holistic, morally upright, globally competent graduates equipped with 21st century skills and contribute meaningfully to the community. CEC mission. A Filipino-Chinese institution that aims to produce leaders who possess Confucian values, foster academic and extracurricular excellence, and provide service with integrity. CEC goal. The Cebu Eastern College Incorporated aims to develop academically excellent, morally upright, and competent learners grounded in Confucian values who pursue harmony, integrity, and lifelong learning.